Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnav Mishra Deshmukh. Today's topic is inheritance and contentment in a Java. Today's date is 10 August 22. Now I discuss in firstly is inheritance and contentment in Java in difference between of inheritance and contentment in Java. Firstly discuss in the inheritance. The inheritance is the very important part of the OOPS, object-oriented programming systems. Then inheritance is the main mechanisms of properties and behavior of a parent class. Then we can be shown in a is a relationships is also called as a child-parent relationships. Then it is the inheritance. We can be create a new class and extend the class, and then which is the inheritance is extend the class and fields and methods in the objects. Then it is the fields and methods in the parent class. Then it is the inheritance is the method overloadings. Then it is the achievement in the orders of a runtime polymorphism. Then it extend keywords is the create in the new class. Then the Java. Java is the uses in the parent class and superclass. There are the three types of inheritance. First is the single inheritance. Second is the hierarchical inheritance. Third is the multi-level inheritance, and then multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance does not support in Java. Then it is the contentment. The inheritance and contentment both are design or techniques. The inheritance contentment is a has a relationships. They design a implementation, and then it is the both are inheritance and contentments is a code reliability of the programs, and the contentment is the code reliability of the program. The contentment of inheritance of the variables and another objects. The contentments of the two objects. First is the one object is a content and another object is the fully dependent. Then is a main difference between of inheritance and contentment. First is the definition of inheritance. The inheritance represent is a relationships, as also called as a parent-child relationships. Then contentment. The contentment is a design and implementation is a has a relationships. Then it is the reliabilities. It is the extend the only one class, and we can be the review the only one code. Then is contentment is the extend is the functionality and multiple program. Then dependency. It is a inheritance is the child class is a depend on the parent class, and contentment is the both is the child class and parent class is dependent. Then is the final class. It is cannot be used a final class in inheritance, and then it is the contentment. It is the reusability of the code is even and uses in the final class. Then is the multiple inheritance. The Java does not support in multiple inheritance, and contentment it is a achievement in the multiple inheritance. This is the main difference between of inheritance and contentments in Java, and some discussion of inheritance and contentments in Java.